Hi guys, I'm Luciana Virgilio, and today I'm going to show you how to do a banana milkshake in less than 4 minutes, and it's only going to have these 4 ingredients. So let's do this. You're going to need 2 bananas, 2 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a cup of ice. That's all you need. I'm going to use my NutriBullet, which I love, and let's put all this together. This is going to take you only 3 to 4 minutes, and your kids are going to love it. And you're going to put everything together at once. Every time my kids' friends come over, they ask me to do this because they love the way I do it, so I wanted to share with you guys. And let's turn this on. And in less than a minute, you already have your banana milkshake. So let me open this. And I'm gonna show you how it looks. So yummy, delicious. So I'm gonna try this for you. I hope you try it. I'm sure you're gonna love it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. So good, you guys. Amazing. It's super good. You can do it in summer, in winter. It doesn't matter, because trust me, your kids will love this. Thank you again, and subscribe to my channel at lucianavirgilio.com. Bye.